Hi guys, so ano, dito sa Brookhaven ngayon and ganito yung server niya. As you can see, walang masyadong zepeto and kasi 'di ba hindi naman masyadong trending. So ko lang ng like may skeleton pa dito guys. So, maglilibot muna tayo sa Brookhaven dito and kumuha tayo ng scooter dito. Yun o. Tignan nyo. Gaano kaliit. Di na siya Pero cute pa rin tayo. Yun. Cute pa rin. So guys, maglibot-libot. Libot-libot muna tayo sa mga bahay dito. Guys, kaya ako hirap na hirap pumindot kasi may mga nail extension ako. May mga nail extension ako sa kamay. Sa kuko. Kaya ako hirap na hirap pumindot. Ano ba yun? Hirap talaga ito. Tingnan natin kung bukas to guys. Yap, bukas. And pwede natin nakawan. Ang yaman naman ng may-ari nito. Yaman naman. Siguro bagong release na bahay to. Kaya ganito. Bilis yung kutse. Ayun. So guys, napanood nyo na ba yung post ko? Yung pinrank ko si Johan. Yung diba, umiiyak ako tapos sa huli, sinabi ko, nataiyak ako ng malakas. Tapos sabi niya, ay Diyos ko po, tumainom pa nakala ko kung ano. Tapos guys, upload ko rin to, and yeah. It's a prank Prank yun kasi, guys, diba? Pinrank niya din kasi ako Kasi sabi niya, tapos umiiyak siya ng matagal, tapos nagbahay kami. Tapos naglagay siya ng sign. I hate my life. Yon. Tapos, sabi namin ni Megan, kasama namin si Megan sabi namin ni Megan, meaning ng nandun sa bahay? Tapos di siya sumasagot, umiiyak lang siya randomly. Tapos, story time to Tapos, may pinakita siyang nasa sign. Sabi niya, I hate the others. Tapos sabihin namin, tapos nagpakita siya ulit maya. Sabi niya, I hate colors. Sabi namin. Tapos sabi ng utak ko, ba't may kulay yung damit mo? Kung I hate colors, sabi namin, hindi namin ma-understand. Tapos sa huli, maya, and mga 10 minutes later, sabi niya, it's a prank. Tapos sumunod yung prank ko, diba? Siguro napanood niya naman na yun. So, ayun, story time yun Saan ba tayo pupunta nito? Daming invited dito. Dito muna tayo sa may restaurant na Jets. Yung bagong bukas dati. Nakaraan pa na. Ito restroom. Ay, nakakatakot naman. Ayun, nakakatakot naman. Alis na ako dito, nakakatakot mag-isa. Kasi guys, mag-isa lang ako sa mga place dito sa Brookhaven. Guys. Kapag gabi or umaga, natatakot talaga ako pag wala akong kasamang friend, ganon. Pag pumupunta sa mga mall ng Brookhaven, tapos sa restaurant, ganon. Natatakot talaga ako, ganon.
You can open the mask by touching the side of the helmet.
Tapos
The
ano
mask
naman
protects the
lilibutin natin? Ang yan ng libutan dito. Huwag na tayo pumunta sa mga ibang places, guys. Nakakatakot eh. Yuck!
But then there's a
There.
$260 Iron Man helmet from
Never
Anakin.
mind.
Very
Huwag
similar
napansin.
with phenomenal
Hindi naman tayo
beautiful
pinapansin
box,
nila.
aluminum
Di huwag
helmet,
natin
very soft
tapusin.
material inside. Much smoother movement and softer, more
Pero
realistic
guys,
sound.
dito sa Respawn, pag gabi or umaga, hindi ako natatakot kasi maraming
Over to your
tao.
budget. Click the link in the
Yan. Sino ba to?
$19 versus $199.
Tingnan mo. O, di ko naman yan, friend.
How could
Tang, ano, lumalapit ka lang
kind
ganyan.
of fun? Because if your avatar is something normal, it would just
Wait
be like
lang,
living with your
scooter
best
pa.
friend. They probably would just sit there and be chill, eat snacks, and maybe even play
Ayun,
games.
try natin
But then
ano,
you realize
mag-buy
some
ng
people are
sasakyan.
completely cooked. Because if your avatar is one of those baby or animal avatars,
Galing.
now you have a roommate who pays no
Wala,
rent,
wait lang,
she's
try
home all
natin
night, and
sakyan.
makes the
Wait
biggest
lang,
mess in the
ano,
house. And if your avatar is one of those troll avatars, that might be even
Nakakatakot.
worse. Because imagine waking up at 3 a.m.
So
and
dito,
seeing
hindi
this,
naman
and
ako
your
nakakatakot kasi bago
avatar
to.
looks like a demon
And
or something straight
guys,
out.
alam nyo ba,
You
nung
might as well
ano,
be homeless.
kasama ko yung mga ibang friends ko, ano, na hindi ng mga pinsan ko kilala. Ano, diba, tatlo kaming girls. Tapos, nag-camping kami dun sa may ano, yung parang may forest, tapos, yung wooden house. Yung ano, basta, yung ganon. Tapos, punta muna kami ng CR, kaming tatlo. Tapos, may nakita kaming, ano, mystery, mystery attic. Alam niyo yun, yung attic, yung inaakyatan sa mga bahay niyo, yung mga ganon, basta ganon. Tapos, may nakita akong, mga manika na creepy. Tapos, tinawag ko yung mga girls, mga kasama ko. Pinakita ko sa kanila, tapos umalis na kami nun kasi gabi pa naman yun. Tapos sabi ko, umalis na tayo dito, nakikrip na ako, ang daming mga nakakatakot na istorya dito. Tapos sabi niya, sige. Tapos nag-camp na naman kami, gabi na naman. Doon sa may tabi ng ganong bahay. Tapos sabi ko, guys, mga ilang araw lang tayo dito tapos kasi natatakot talaga ako eh.
Ano yan?
Story time.
Ano yan nilalaro mo?
Okay, Ben.
Ha?
Okay,
Ano
Ben.
yung kinikwento mo?
Yung mga nangyaring, mga story time. Basta mga creepy moments and, mga...
Wala naman nangyari dun sa atin sa
Sa
camping.
Brookay, Ben.
Ano
Yung mga mga kasama kong mga babae, girls. Friends ko.
Oh,
Tatlo kami.
tapos?
Basta.
Tapos ano tayo?
I-upload.
Tapos
I-upload ko nga to sa YouTube. Tignan mo na lang dun. Kakiyo. Ay guys, may Lamborghini. Nakawin natin. Ay. Hindi maano. Guys, hirap na hirap ako pumindo talaga yung nails ko. Wait lang. Siyempre, di makagalaw. Ay, wait lang. Tingnan nga. Ay. Yak. Yak. Daming tambakan ah. Ba't mga pares lang silang mga bahay, Yung mga bagong bahay yung ginagamit nila. Ako yung dating bahay pa. Yung yung parang mansion. Basta, mansion. Ano bang ginagawa na itong Brazil girl na to? Hindi ko naman siya inaano niya ako. Inaano, ha? Tinitignan pala. Tinitignan.
Huwag ka nang babalik ah.
So guys, alam niyo ba, excited ako pumasok ng school. Alam nyo ka bakit? Alam nyo. Kasi, yung mga, yung mga kaibigan, mga kaibigan ko po, makikita ko yung mga kaibigan ko, sila Johan, sila Teresa, sila Amaris, sila Stella, makikita ko sila, tapos yung teacher namin. Sa tinong kung sino magiging teacher namin. And guys, yung mga subject, ay nako tayo. Napakahirap ng mga subjects na. Pero okay lang. Basta, tiis, ano lang, tiis. Basta tiis lang. At least, makikita yung mga kaibigan mo, di ba? Parang may transfer ata sa amin eh. Feeling ko lang. Feeling ko. Hindi yung hindi yung papagkalatin ko muna. Feeling ko may transfer. Feeling ko lang. Kasi sabi ng teacher ko sa tutor, yung yung kapatid niya daw na babae, gusto daw mag-transfer sa school namin. So, feeling ko may transfer. Hindi ko lang alam. Yeah, kasi guys, malapit na yung June. Hindi ko alam kung June is yung pasok namin or what. Basta, itay na lang. Anong sun? Basta ba naman? Hindi, napakalag. Nabibitawan ko talaga yung mga yung mga pindutin dito sa mga pang-walk tapos pang-jump kasi yung nails ko nga, diba? Wait lang. Ayun na kasi matanggal, be. Kanina, ang dami-daming bahay na nakita ko. Ngayon, nag-isan. Baho mo. Ikaw yun. Ano ba yan? Tambay ng tambay ka.
Kanina ba yung bahay?
Nakaw tayo, tara. Charis. Ay, hindi, may phone sila dito. Social naman nila. Ay, may party na. Pa-para-pa-pa-pam. Sabi side-to-side. Pa-para-pa-pam. Yeah, may editor dito. Tignan natin. Tignan natin maipang ko ng English. Tignan natin. Tignan natin. Yeah. Ayoko na. Wait lang, tignan natin. Dito sa
In
gilid
this
dito.
video, I'll be attempting to survive 100 days.
Bintana ako na lang
This is a
titignan.
mod pack that
Bang
adds
mare,
tons of
nag-ano
blocks,
na mga
structures,
libro
and
dito
mobs, but still stays true to the original feel of the game. So my plan for this challenge is to explore as much content as I
Ano
can
ba
from this
tong
mod
ginagawang
pack, as
lalaki
well as
to?
build a cozy base that has everything we need to survive. Alrighty, here we are on day 1. I am a little bit nervous playing this mod pack in hardcore mode, but I'll try to be safe. I think we should be
Just
alright.
join the family.
Already, I'm seeing some crazy structure over there, and also, look at this. What is this? This is like the smallest tree I have ever seen. Wait, what is that? What is this thing? It looks kind of chill, though. What's up, dude? You know what? This mini tree is calling to me. Let's grab our first piece of wood. And a second log, too. Why not?
You know? I'm leaving the family.
Not exactly sure what
Ayoko
this
sa inyo,
is, just some like
tama yan,
random packed mud tower, but there's a
Kadiri
campsite
kayo.
over here.
Ba't
Let's see what's
naglibak ako sa
inside.
family?
Like
Hindi
a
ako tuloy
sleeping bag.
makalabas.
If we could grab this roll, we could, try to get a bed soon.
Bye,
Oh, wait, there's a bed here
bitches.
too. I didn't even see that. Oh, look at this.
Kadiri.
Some stuff. A bunch of torches,
Dito
some
na nga lang
bread,
kaya
and
ako.
some meat. That is very, very good.
Eh,
As
kanino
well as a
bahay ba
shield.
to?
What is this? Minced beef. Interesting.
Hindi ko
Okay.
makita
Maybe
yung
we can
ano
grab
eh,
this
yung
tropical fish
tag,
as well.
yung ganon.
This is actually a crazy good start, but I just want to grab a little bit more wood so we can just steal a break from this campsite, I think.
Ang ina, wag
Got ourselves 4 logs, so let's turn those into some planks.
Ito na lang,
And then you already know
guys.
what's about to happen. That's right.
Ayun
Gonna
na.
make ourselves a
Ang laki ng
crafting
swimming pool,
table. Place that
makikiswimming
bad
lang
boy
po.
down, make ourselves some sticks.
Wag po
And then let me
masyadong
show you something that you probably
magalit-galit.
didn't even know was possible, but if you do like 2
Gagi,
sticks like
na-stuck
this and
ako.
then a row of planks, you can actually get a pickaxe.
Kanya
Okay,
guys,
you can tell that
may
I'm being
halagagi,
sarcastic, but
naging
anyway,
blue.
let's grab ourselves some cobblestone.
Hindi ako
I just
makagala ay.
grabbed 20 cobblestone, and I'm kind of curious, is there any, oh my goodness, I was about to be like, is there
Stuck.
any other recipes? Look at this,
Yan.
107 recipes.
Stuck ako,
That is
guys.
insane.
I know.
Oh wait, I was
Stuck
checking all,
ako.
how many do we have now? Okay, for
Stuck
this.
ako.
Still though, there's so much cool stuff, like look at this, an oak table,
Can
an
someone
oak
help me
chair, and
agad?
I'm so excited to try this stuff out later. For now,
Di
though,
na
let's just
ako,
keep it
guys.
simple, make ourselves a stone
Pero okay lang,
pickaxe,
wala
a stone
naman.
axe, and a shovel. And
Pero
a sword too,
wala
can't
naman
forget
ako.
about that. And while we're here,
Yeah.
we also turn this wheat that we got into a bit more bread. Well, with that, let's grab our crafting table, and I kinda, wait, I did not grab my crafting table. Let's grab our crafting table, and then I want to check out this bad boy right here. Hopefully there's not any bad guys, though. I'm a little bit afraid of that. No bad guys, please? Oh man, look at these. What are these?
Guys,
wildflowers?
tignan
These
nyo
look
ngayon,
so
guys,
pretty. I
kung-
gotta grab some of these. I'm getting distracted
Tignan
though.
nyo.
What's in this thing? I'm guessing something in the
Wait lang.
center, maybe? Anything in here? Anything at all? There's some deep slate. Wait, diamonds? Are you serious?
lang.
Diamonds, gold,
Diamonds?
marcus?
Ito,
That's
tignan
insane.
nyo.
We're going to be mine stuff with the pickaxe though, so let's go try to find some iron.
Mga
Anyway, the sun is already
Ito.
setting. Let's see.
Tignan
We
nyo.
have 2
Tignan
white
nyo.
wool and 1 black roll. Not gonna be able to
Nakatali
get
lang
that,
siya
but maybe
para
we
di
can
siya
dye,
matanggal.
yes, and jet to dye from these wildflowers. Then we can dye this black wool.
Tangina na.
Perfect. And then the white dye too. Get in there.
Ayun na.
Owie, owie, owie. Dude, what? Oh, no way, no way. No, no.
Ay, gaga!
Okay, that's just that crafting table.
Kumakain
Like
ng
this,
tao.
drum jet
Ang ina naman na.
like this and sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Okay,
Yan,
okay.
dito naman.
Hello, my game's frozen.
Ay, ano ba yun?
And my game crashed.
Ay,
I
ito,
know
avatar ko,
300
guys.
mods could cause some issues,
Charis.
but yeah, hopefully
Charis.
that doesn't happen again. I just
Ang
updated
ina,
my graphics
Charis,
card and
walang
booted up the game again.
ka.
Looks like we went back in time a few minutes since this is covered up again. Oh my goodness, there's mobs. What the frick?
Di ba si Claire ta?
Okay, just figured it. Let's run it back. Alright, here we go. Attempt 2, hardcore. Let's run it back. Brand new seed, but this one looks like a pretty cool one as well. We have all of this black sand over here.
Guys, ito yung main account ko ha. Add nyo to. Ito main account ko. Yan. Kakabili ko lang ng, ayun o. Tignan nyo, may Robux ako dito ayun o. Banda mo. Ayun o. Ano, 3 Robux lang yun Kasi guys, yung ano, in total na Robux ko is 500. Kaso nga lang, ano, naubos na. Pero sa main account ko yun Sa main account ko yung may Robux ako ito Dito nga ako nagka-Robux ng 500 Robux. Yan.
And I can't help
Diba?
myself, just gonna grab a little bit more copper and then we can go back to the surface. And it's already getting dark, but there is some sheep up here, so goodbye to
One
you.
follower.
I need some wool, so goodbye to you as
Sino
well.
nagpo-follow
And goodbye to you
siya?
too. Alright, no funny business this time. Let's place down our crafting table, use some of these dead planks that we
Sino?
got in our wool to make a bed. Alrighty, good night.
Ah,
Please do
si
not
ano?
crash again.
si
I have
Megan.
both my fingers crossed right now.
Kasama namin ni,
If
ano,
I
ni
crashed
Yohan.
again, I would have crashed out myself.
Yulin! Yulin!
Crafting table and use some of this cobblestone to make a furnace.
Guys, kilala niyo si Linlin? Ito Ito
And maybe while that does its thing, we can
Ah,
grab some of these super
kilala
cool
niyo si
flowers.
Linlin?
There's even this
Kilala
one too.
niya
What
to?
is this? A tiger lily?
Ito yung
What is
ano
this? No
eh.
way, there's one of these guys
Yung
from the
sa
last world.
TikTok,
I
si
think it's nice. Do
Linlin.
we just,
Ayun o.
can we just
Tapos
go
ito
eat?
ulit to, si Size Spice.
Let's check in on our iron and sweet. It's all ready. Maybe let's
Ano si Size
spice
Spice?
too. Anyway, now that we have some iron, let's make ourselves an iron pickaxe.
Kaklase
And I have a
ko!
feeling this world is gonna be
Kaklase
pretty
ko,
good.
si
So let's make a
Stella.
sword too. Now that we have an iron pick, though, let's check out this structure. Oh, no way. It seems different from the last one, though. I don't know
Hi,
if this one's
guys.
gonna have any
Ay.
diamonds. Yeah, that sucks. I
Wow.
don't think this one has any
Ganda
diamonds.
mo.
It's just kind of
Ganda mo,
precious.
T.
Come on, be something good. Okay, some gold, a bit more iron, a bunch of bones, redstone, a lead, and then some suspicious food. Maybe this other statue.
Parehas kami, may
also
Robux.
chest. Come on.
Ilan kaya Robux nito?
What is this? Monster spawner.
Feeling ko mga ano,
Yeah,
mga
I'm not messing around with that.
mga
I'm pretty sure this
millions.
other structure had not quite as good as that first one that we found, but that's alright. I'm already getting hungry though. Let's have this suspicious stew. We were good. Alright.
Gaga.
When this stew is
Best friend nga ako nun eh.
what a crazy achievement. Just cleaning up my inventory a little bit. I really don't need all this random stuff.
Rustad, wala kang alam sa ano namin, wala kang alam sa friendship namin.
Naging best friend niya kabay ko ha. Pag ano.
Wait a minute.
Wala ka lang alam sa best sa friendship namin. Wala kang lang alam.
Yeah, playing in 1.1 and 1.1 I think.
Huwag ka nang mga ilan.
Like 1.21.8 or something like that.
Yun naman ikaw yung kaibigan eh.
Oh well, that's fine. Let's just grab our furnace back as well as our crafting table.
Nagiging best
Would have been nice to have some armor, but that
Eh,
is
wala ka lang alam sa friendship namin. Huwag ka na mga ilang.
but I need some food,
Wala
so
ka lang alam.
and what are these trees right here? This is a fir log. Okay, interesting. I'll grab some.
Kasi nakikisali, kitang
Oh, what? That is so nice. Can I do that for all of these? Oh, we can get so
Pag
much
ikaw
wood with
binas
this. What?
dito ha,
It's
ikaw
been like
comment.
5 seconds. How many logs did we get?
Magko-comment tong
54
mga
logs
to.
in seriously like 10 seconds. That is clutch. I'm really curious what is this blank color. I kind of want to place this down and see. Ooh, that's kind of nice actually. Once we get around to building our base, I'm definitely gonna
Wala
use
ka
some of
lang
these
alam
little
eh,
guys.
inggit ka lang.
Goodbye, chicken. On-site sheep. I need food.
Ayan.
I love how
So, si
lush
Mitch,
this jungle biome feels. Look at this.
Guys,
There's
ito
like
yung
a
old,
kind of
ano ko
jungle
eh.
temple over there that looks so sick. I'm guessing there's probably gonna be some
Guys,
bad
ito
guys
yung
in there.
first
Let's get some food
friend
stocked up.
ko.
And while that
Ito yung
cooks up,
first
let's use
friend
one of our
ko
iron
sa
ingots to
ano,
make ourselves a shield.
sa Roblox.
Got a shield, got
Ito.
some food. Let's check this thing out. Nothing up here at the top. I'm just seeing if we can dig down, and we can. Why did I just jump in? Why did I just jump in? Am I
Ito
stupid?
very
That
first
is
friend
terrifying. Let's take
ko
out the tripwire hook.
sa main
What
account
is
ko.
this thing? Oh man, what are these? Arrows of weakness. No shots.
Naging
I'll
best
take the
friend
regular
ko
arrows,
siya.
though. Thank you.
Kasi
There's a staircase
na-
this way. There's a
nag-meet kami sa
spider.
isang
Please don't touch the
tower.
spider. Owie.
Which is di
Get
ko
off me,
na
spider.
maalala kung
Oh, man,
anong
there's so many
tower
spiders.
yon.
Anong tower?
Okay, there's a bunch of spiders. Let's light this up. Light this up. Ow.
Ka naman
Why am I
alam
using
sa
that portion
ina
on
ka.
my sword? Get out of here, spider. No way I'm down to some spiders. Okay, there's a spawner, I think. Can I kick it out? I can't. There's so many cobwebs. Come on,
Yun
break
lang,
the spawner,
guys.
break the
Bye.
spawner, break the
Papos ko
spawner.
na
Come
to.
on, come on, break it, break it, break
Wait
it,
lang.
break it, break it. Okay. I do not like these poisonous spiders, please.
Bye.
There's another one here.